Shenzhen Hill Optical Limited was founded in the year 2007, which is a diversified manufacturer that possesses comprehensive capabilities in optical technology. R&D, lens design, manufacturing, marketing, sales, and after-sales service. The company is located in Shenzhen City. Our company has over 5,000 square meters of manufacturing base and 100 staff. We focus on LED optical and lighting technology innovation and have a professional R&D team with rich experience in designing LED special optical lenses for various scenarios. Our company is fully equipped with the state-of-the-art tooling-making machinery imported from Japan and Germany. This enables us to produce high-precision optical injection tooling as quickly as 7 days. Our company is proud to be certified for QMS 19001 for system quality management. Our lenses have been successfully developed and designed for leading brands such as Lumileds, CRE, Osram, Nikkei, Seoul Semiconductor, Everlight, Edison, Hongqi, and domestic LEDs, with hundreds of types of lenses ranging from 6 degrees to 100 degrees. Our products are widely used in commercial lighting, outdoor lighting, industrial lighting, security monitoring, landscape lighting, and intelligent transportation. We are always committed to bringing safer and brighter light to our society.